Robbie Williams has splashed out on a cool £38 million for his new LA mansion after selling his homes in the UK, US and Switzerland. The Angels singer, 48, who recently said he has nowhere to live, has found the perfect pad for him, his wife Ayda Field, 42, and their 4 children Theodora, Charlie, Colette and Beau to live. 8. Let's take a look inside Robbie Williams' incredible new £38 million mansion in the USCredit, Getty. 8. The pad is located in Los AngelesCredit, cover images. 8. The huge kitchen follows a white color scheme credit, cover images. His new pad would make anyone jealous. It certainly has plenty of space for the whole family as it sprawls across 18,925 square feet. The property has an impressive 8 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, bespoke kitchen and formal dining room. It also has a private tennis court, swimming pool and fitness center for them to keep busy. Earlier this month it was revealed that Robbie was keen to sell his £24 million mansion in Switzerland to return to the UK. A source said at the time, Robbie and Ayda have loved living in Switzerland the last few years, and the tranquility was a godsend during the pandemic. But they've decided they want to mix it up a bit and have a different pace of life for a bit, so they're heading back to London. They've done quite a lot of work to it, and with the housing market on the up they reckon they're going to make a fortune on it. Back in January Robbie sold his house in Wiltshire for £6.75 million. He purchased the pad for £8.1 million in 2008 but it was for sale for just £6.75 million. Last month he also wound up banking a reported £13 million profit, after selling his American mansion to Drake. He sold Los Angeles property to the One Dance rapper for £37 million. Robbie is estimated to be worth a staggering £238 million. 8. One of the living rooms features huge windows and a modern fireplace credit, cover images. 8. There is a gym for the family to work up a sweat credit, cover images. 8. The property also boasts a library credit, cover images. 8. There is a swimming pool for them to exercise in credit, cover images. 8. The bedrooms all have en-suites connected to them credit, cover images. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.